You are here.
Guys, ang ganda. Tingnan nyo to guys, ang laki.
Hey, you're hot.
Hi guys! Good morning! Dito kami sa Universal Studios. And alam niyo ba, meron kaming sitwasyon ngayon. Kasi nag-book kami ng ticket kanina lang. Matagal na ito tinitingnan ni Dan, kaya lang hindi namin alam kung ano yung magiging ganap ng weather. So kaninang umaga namin siya binook kasi kagabi sana, kaya lang parang may problema sa pag-booking nila. So kaninang umaga, tapos sabi it will take up to 12 hours to receive your ticket. So nakabayad na kami lahat. Meron na kaming order number pero wala kaming ticket kasi wala pa siya sa email ko. It says it will take up to 12 hours. So ipapakita namin sila sa kanila yung order number namin and sana mag-work, sana papasukin tayo. Kasi medyo mahal yung binayaran namin guys. $325 USD. So mga maabot mga 400 something Australian to. Yung in-order namin is express ticket. Para hindi na kami magpipila-pila, dire-diretso na kami sa express na linya. Char. Pa-express talaga kami. Dito na kami sa loob guys. We got our ticket. So ibigay nyo lang yung order number. Tapos wala, print nila agad-agad. So wala namang problema, nakapasok na kami and I need coffee. So first, coffee please. I want coffee. Okay. Ang aga namin gumising kanina kasi sabi ni Dan, this is a whole day thing.
You are here.
Okay. Saan tayo pupunta?
Buy some food.
Food. Coffee. Where's coffee? Yummers? Is it good? Dito kami guys sa... Sorry? Wow. Breakfast burrito to guys. So meron siyang egg, bacon, cheese. Nilagay ni Dan yung tomatoes. And...
What sauce?
Oh! Danny!
That's alright.
Di kasi nagbabasa. Di siya kumakain ng maanghang. Dito kami nag-order sa basta restaurant siya pagkapasok mo. Tapos doon kami nag-order. Wala ako in-order because ayoko niyan. Gusto ko sa Starbucks, which is right there, Starbucks. Maya, coffee tayo doon. Wala kasing si ate, walang latte. Si ate, meron siya limited coffee lang, meron black coffee, yung basic na coffee lang. Is it good? How's the hot sauce?
A bit hot.
It's alright. It's a burrito. Hintay kami ng aming Starbucks. I got the iced latte. Venti. Oh, yung gamit ko pala guys, yung liquid lipstick ng Huda Beauty. Trend Center. Hindi naman kita ng maayos. Uy, what do you think about my lipstick?
It's alright.
It's alright, yeah. Guys, iced latte with whipped cream. Yummers. We're ready. SpongeBob! Ito yung una namin gagawin guys, studio tour, Universal Studio Tour. May mga Pilipino dito, naririnig ko sila. Si Dan para siyang nasa para siyang bumalik sa pagkabata. Gusto niya si Simpson. We got the express pass guys. So dito kami, yung iba linya sa gilid, yung iba doon sa kabilang gilid. So ka dito ka guys sa mga stars. Meron sila dyan. Punta ka sa mga stars, tapos pasok ka dun. So, may designated na, upuan sa kung saang star ka. Yan. So, kasi nasa harap ako, dun ako sa window, guys. Pagpasok ko dito, dun ako sa window. Kasi dan tabi ko. And ganyan yung itsura. So, guys, nakapasok na kami. Tapos yung iba, naghihintay pa, guys. Naghihintay pa sila dun sa labas. And mas nauna pa yun sila sa amin. Pero regular lang yung ticket nila. Tapos meron kang 3D glasses. Meron din silang ano dito, Espanyol tour at saka Chinese ata yung nasa kabila yan.
For those of you guys that are wearing your glasses right now, take them off.
Ah, take them off.
There's nothing in 3D yet. I'll tell you when to put them on. Can I borrow your glasses? You're going to be saying hello when we go inside. Get those 3D glasses ready though. You see it?
I like films that just take you away from your real life and sweep you up in adventure. Kong literally does that. I mean, you're on.
Oh, cool.
Wow. Wow. Whoa. La, 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 la. Hello. Get him! Oh, good job, King Kong. Hi, buddy.
Anybody a fan of the Fast and the Furious
Oh,
films? If you like those
cool.
movies, these are the actual cars right over here.
Furious
The
cars.
Mazda RX-7, the Nissan Skyline. And then you're also going to notice we have
cool.
the gyrosphere from Jurassic World. And one thing you're going to notice about the gyrosphere is there's no glass on it. You know why there's no glass? Because there never was any glass. You would get a reflection of the crew and the camera during filming. So
dressing.
all the glass in those scenes, it was all CGI. It was all fake. Look at this tank. That tank is not a real tank. That's a Bradley assault vehicle. But what they did was they put a fake tank shell on top, and if you look closely at it, it's all plywood painted to look like metal. I'm gonna ruin Hollywood for you guys today. Get ready. That was using a movie called Doomsday. All right, up front. Oh my gosh! Whoa, you guys! I'm so sorry. I hit the wrong button. Oh no, Haley! I hope you can swim, Haley. Watch out, you guys! It's coming right for us. Whoa!
Whoa.
Thousands of gallons of water come rushing down the hill. Yikes! There it is on your screen in Big Fat Liar. You guys, how many of you are fans? So what you're looking at is right here on the left-hand side. You know how expensive it is to shut down a real subway station and film? It's really expensive inside of a real subway station. Here, it's one rental fee, and you can... We're having an earthquake. You guys feel that? We're having an earthquake. Yep, it's okay. It's an earthquake. It's California. This stuff happens all the time, guys. Oh my gosh, this is a really big one. Oh, this is not good. Watch out back there, guys. Third car, the room is coming down.
Whoa.
It's coming down. How about that? Whoa.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh, there's a lot of fire back there, guys. Hang on tight. Head to the top. Down. Everybody get down. Head to the top. Get down. Hey, get down. Hey. Let it go. Oh my gosh, guys. Watch out. Right hand side of the ground is breaking. First car. It's going crazy. Oh my gosh, I think the second part of the ceiling is going to collapse on us, guys. It's getting away. Hang on tight. It's going to collapse. Whoa. Oh, it's not over. No, you're sitting on the right-hand side. You picked the wrong seat to sit here.
that, babe?
Whoa, hang on. That fin is way bigger than that fin. I don't think I caught the right shark. Where's George? We gotta get George out of the water. There's George. George! Get out of the water, dude. Get back in the boat. We can catch the right shark, dude. You gotta get... Wait, what? I can't hear you. Say that again, what? Oh, okay. Yeah, sounds good. I'll see you in my hot work. Oh my God.
Hello. Whoa.
Oh, Peter's on fire. That is not good.
Hello.
Boat back there that has Amity police.
It's hot.
I'll down that boat right now. He's gonna take it down. Oh my gosh.
Hello.
Look out, it's a shark. One more time. Look out, it's a shark. Whoa.
Tapos na kami sa tour, guys. Ang ganda, promise. Did you like it?
Loved it. It's
It
cool.
was so good. As in, guys, yung tour ha, 1 oras. Yung nakita nyo, ilang minuto lang yun. And basta, gustong-gusto ko siya. Lalo na siguro kapag gustong-gusto nyo manood ng mga movies. Kasi ang daming movies na dun lang film, guys. Dun yung setup nila. Tapos ipapakita nila sa iyo kung paano. Like yung mga fake na rain, yung fake na flood. Yung sa Fast and Furious. Oh, so good. It was so good. Tapos may mga pa-effects pa sila. Like tubig-tubig. Tapos, you know, galaw-galaw. Ganon. Ganda. Ganda.
Springfield.
Springfield.
The Simpsons.
Gustong-gusto niya to, guys. Hindi ako nanonood nito eh. Wala akong alam. Ang alam ko lang, yellow sila. Yellow
I can
sila.
go in, I say.
Pero yeah, pasok kami dito, guys. Ito yung gustong-gusto nila. Welcome to Quick Emot. Ay, babe, you gotta buy something from here. Seriously? Ito, oh. You gotta buy something, babe. How about this, babe?
Just banana necklace.
Or this?
Banana necklace. I don't know.
Na clothes. Tingnan niyo to, guys. Meron siyang bottle opener sa gilid. Tapos yung suot ni Dan, may bottle opener din. Show them, babe, the bottle opener. It's right there. Do you want it? That looks cool. You gotta get something from here, my love. This is your favorite show. Dito pa rin kami sa Simpsons, guys. So, punta kami sa express na area na naman. Di namin alam kung ano to eh. Thank you. So, what is this show, babe? What are we gonna do here?
I have no idea.
Ang saya-saya niya. Di ako makaka-relate dito. Wala akong alam.
Is this a nuclear reactor? Oh!
What do you know about nuclear energy, kid?
Sana nagdala ako ng sunnies. Tapos na kami sa Simpsons, guys. It was so good.
That was so much fun.
Yes. As in, grabe. Hindi pwede mag-film doon sa loob, pero sobrang ganda. Where are we going? Ito yung next, guys. Harry Potter. Hindi ako nanood nito, so hindi ko din alam to. Pero, we'll go there. Meron din silang parang ride or show. Ganon. Gandang laki. Isa daw to sa mga pinakamalaking area dito. So it takes up a lot of room. Char room. Ano yun? So ang cool, guys. Grabe.
Unbelievable.
So good. Are you loving it?
Yeah, you have to come here. If you go to LA, you got to come to Universal
Yeah.
and watch the Lakers.
Sobrang cool. Butterbeer. Tapos na kami dun sa ano, guys,
Let's check out the
dun
rest of this
sa
one.
Harry Potter na ride. It was really good as well. Hindi pwede dalhin yung camera at saka mga gamit, lalo na kapag magra-ride ka. So meron silang locker sa first floor, iwan mo siya dun. Fingerprint lang, tapos pag-claim mo, fingerprint din. It's actually really cool. Maganda din yun, guys. Kahit na hindi kami nakapanood ng Harry Potter na gustuhan namin, so siguro yung mga Harry Potter fan dyan, magugustuhan yan lalo. Sobrang ganda. Did you like it?
It was good.
It was really cool.
Yeah. Not as good as The Simpsons.
Oh, because you love The Simpsons. You haven't watched the Harry Potter, maybe that's why.
Simpsons.
Dito kami sa Water World, guys. Thank you. Pinanood namin yung Kung Fu Panda. Okay lang siya, kid-friendly kasi nakaupo lang, walang seatbelt. Same siya nung idea nung Simpsons. Pero yung Simpsons kasi parang seatbelt kayo. Basta yun, mas toned down. Mas safe. Mas safe. Safe naman lahat. Water World, guys. 25 minutes daw to sabi ni ate. So, meron siyang, soak zone. So, wag kayo dyan kasi mababasa tayo ng bongga. Right here, babe! Where is sitting? In the middle. Up here para hindi masyadong Right here, babe.
Yeah, this one.
Soak zone! You'll be soaked!
Very soaked.
Are you sure? Wow, cool. Are you sure? Okay, whatever. Nakahat ako guys kasi ang init. Tula ko nilang sunnies. Suot ko yung binili ni Danda. Yung merong dito, can opener. I mean, bottle opener. This is so cool. Bumili kami ng drinks, guys. Ano na to siya? Free refill na to. $17.75, I think. So, $18 for this. And yung meron kasi sila Stranger Things lang.
Hey, look at the kids,
So, yeah.
like, I want to get soaked.
The kids are like right in front.
She's like, I'm in it.
Babe, we can actually stay there because that's not the soak zone, but still in the middle.
This is the fun part, my love.
Fun part, mabasa
This is part of the
tayo.
fun.
Buang lagi ni siya. We're doing The Walking Dead next, guys. Wait.
Express something?
Thank you. Hello.
Just so you know, you're gonna have to put the camera away.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
Come on, you
It's
want
so
it.
cool.
Not small. Come on. Hey, you're high.
So cute! Katatapos lang namin sa Minion, guys. Ang cool. Para kang nasa Minion Rush. Yung laro, yung app, para kang nandun. Where are we going next? Ang cute ni SpongeBob, guys. Ito. Select ka. Coke. Zero.
Yeah, normal.
That's alright. Yeah, just
Oh, no,
Coke.
it's not. That's alright.
Yeah, 4. That's all good, babe. That's too much. Okay. Dito si Dracula, guys. Dracula. Right there. Punta kami sa baba. Ay, baba? We're going down? Or up?
Go that way.
But are we going downstairs or
Go
upstairs?
down.
So ito guys, meron pa siyang lower level. Punta kami dun. Natapos na namin lahat ng nasa upper level. Napanood na namin lahat na rides, tsaka shows, gano'n. Dito na kami sa lower level, guys. Dito si Jurassic Park. Dito din yung The Mummy. Anong ginagawa niya?
Sorry?
Tingnan nyo to, guys. Ang laki. Grabe, ang laki ng drumstick. Turkey ata yan. Nandito kami sa Jurassic Cafe. Oh my goodness. Chicken tenders lang yung akin at saka fries. We got the chicken tenders with fries. Ito lang sana, mag-share lang sana kami, pero si Dan gusto niya mag-burger. So, burger and fries. Good luck sa akin, hindi ko ito mauubos. Pero kain, guys. Is it good?
Come on.
Yeah, sure.
It's okay.
Yeah. Madilim na, guys. Tapos na kami. Napanood namin lahat ng shows and napuntahan din namin lahat ng rides. Lahat talaga. Feeling namin kapag hindi ka express, hindi mo mapapanood or masasakyan lahat. Kasi yung mga rides, or lahat actually, ang haba ng pila. So, siguro yung iba naghihintay pa. Tapos sila nang mag-close kasi sila ng 7. And just imagine ha, nandito kami when they opened at what time did they open?
Normally 10 o'clock.
10. So, nandito kami mga just after 10, guys. And then, uwi kami ngayon. Anong oras na, babe? What time is it?
About 5:30.
5:30. So, my 1 and a half... Why?
The lights.
Oh, cool.
How good was today?
It was really
Awesome.
good. It was so good. Gusto
Yeah.
daw ni Dan bumalik dito sa birthday niya.
Next year.
Bot-bot!
My 25th birthday will be here.
25th birthday.
25th birthday.
Ang saya guys, super. So, I was telling them, babe, that if we didn't get the express, I don't think we will finish all the rides and all
Yeah,
the
if you
shows.
come here, pay the extra for the express.
Yeah,
You
kasi
have to.
at least, kapag kahit na extra yung bayad guys, at least mapapanood at masasakyan nyo lahat.
We barely lined up today.
Yeah, so hindi kami...
Barely lined up.
Barely kami nag-line up. So, okay na okay talaga yung express. I'm not sure how much is the difference.
$50, $60.
$50, $60? No, that's fine.
Yeah.
Okay lang yan guys. At least, kung isipin mo
Your
nga...
day's more enjoyable.
Yeah, it is more enjoyable kasi ma-experience mo lahat. Kahit na siguro kung hindi ka magkukuha ng express, if you don't get express, it's gonna be $60 less, but then you don't get to enjoy everything because you will be lining up like the
whole day.
50% of the time.
Yeah, you line up for like
Mahaba
half
talaga
an
yung
hour
pila.
for a 3-minute ride.
Yeah, and it's Monday ha. Monday ngayon guys. Sobrang
Yeah.
daming tao. Sobrang haba ng pila. So get the express if you come here.
Yeah.
It was a good idea. Good job, babe. Yung boss niya kasi nagpunta dito and sinabi ng boss niya na kung pupunta ka ng Universal Studios, kunin mo yung express kasi most of your time kung hindi ka kukuha ng express, wala. Pila ka lang ng
What's
pila.
the ratio of this?
It's a Chevrolet.
Yeah.
And it's 8. Dinner guys. Nag-Uber Eats kami. So Vietnamese food tayo. Nag-order ako ng combination rice. Sobrang miss na miss ko na yung rice guys. Grabe. This looks good guys. Ito yung pho. May hoisin sauce. Merong oopsie. Sriracha. Ooh, that looks good. You ordered the meatballs.
Big balls.
And then, ito yung sa kanya. Yours gonna be really good. And then, akin rice. Yes! Yes, ito nga yun. Ito nga yung hinanap ko. Iniisip ko was combination rice. And ito nga yun, guys. I think I'm fine with this.
Put on plate. Looks.
Tapos na kumain. Now, I have to deal with this, guys. Itong lahat. Pagod na ako kaka-impake, guys. Ito yung mga na-laundry namin na malinis na. Hindi ko siya tinupi kasi alam ko naman na magpapak ako. And kapag nagpack ako, niro-roll ko kasi siya hindi tupi. And ito pa yung, hindi ko pa siya na-haul pero nakita nyo na yung haul kahapon. Or the previous vlog. Pero yeah, hindi ko pa siya na-haul. I-haul ko yan bukas siguro. Pero, yeah. Let's pack, people! Natapos ko na siyang mapak, guys. I did it again and again and again. So, i-check in namin to. Yung mga toiletries, ilalagay ko dito sa magiging mabigat to, guys. Tapos ito, hand carry namin. This is just under... Siguro, 7.4 kilos. Pero kapag tinanggal ko yung jacket ko, or coat ko, na isusuot ko bukas kasi malamig sa San Francisco, magiging 7 kilos na siya. Kung i-weigh man nila, tatanggalin ko lang yung jacket, sasabihin ko, isusuot ko yung jacket. So, 7 kilos yan. This is just under 20, I think. And this one is just under 20 as well. And meron kaming 23 kilograms each. So, magbabayad kami ng 3 luggage bukas. Kasi, domestic flight. So, walang kasamang Hindi kami nagbayad ng check-in luggage. Kasi, hindi namin alam kung ilang luggage yung dala namin. So, hindi namin binayaran in advance. Kasi, kahit nabayaran mo siya in advance or hindi, same lang din naman yung presyo. So, and yeah, ready na yung susutin namin bukas ni Dan. Aalis kami bukas ng maaga. Kasi yung flight namin is I think 12. And we need to be there just 2 hours before. Mag-check-in ako online. Pero, kailangan ko pa rin maglinya. Kasi, i-drop namin yung luggage namin. Kasi nga, kailangan namin mag-check-in ng luggage. So, yun. Anyway, yun na yung vlog, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope na-enjoy nyo yung vlog. Please like this video kung na-enjoy nyo. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget, be good. Good night. Yung nasa mukha ko pala, Mario Badescu na drying lotion. Bye, guys.